Hi, I'm John Lam, Drive Auto Group Corporate Head Office. Today, I want to take the opportunity to look at worn and new winter tires and what's important and what effects it may have on your driving conditions. So let's head down to the park and take a look. So here we are here in the treacherous Toronto winter. Here on the right side, we have a set of tires, winter tires that are about 3 to 4 years old, compared to a set of tires on the left side here, which are brand new. So we will measure the tread depth of these 3 to 4 year old winter tires. As you can see, this is approximately 4 to 5 30 seconds remaining, which means they're still what we would consider yellow zone, meaning that they are still okay, but they are cautionary for perhaps next season. On the other side here, we have these tires here. We'll do a quick measurement. These have approximately about 30 seconds left in terms of tread life, which means that they have plenty of tread, safe, enough traction for treacherous snow and or ice, and the difference in between the braking distance is huge, up to approximately 100 feet in terms of when we need the traction or the braking performance. The set of tires on the side here, on the right side here, will probably be about 100 feet more in terms of braking distance under panic conditions compared to the set of tires on the left here. John Lam, Drive Auto Group. Stay warm, stay safe. Any questions, please click the link below. Have a great day, guys.